Hi, welcome to Physical Product Cache video number 7. In this video, we are going to do some tracking setup for our website. And once this tracking setup is done, we are going to set up the plugins which we have installed in the previous video. First, let's do Google Webmaster Tool and Google Analytics, which is directly coming from Google Services, which is free, and Amazon tracking ID from our Amazon affiliate account. So first, let's go to Google Webmaster Tool. To get the Google Webmaster Tool, just type Google Webmaster Tool in the Google and you will get the first results. Once you click that, log into the Google Webmaster Tool with your email address, the Google email, Gmail account, and once you logged in, it will ask you to enter your website. I have entered my website here, campingandhikinghq.com. Once you enter, this page will be prompted. So this page is about verifying the ownership of your website. So Google wants to confirm that whatever website we are using is owned by us. So there are 3-4 methods are there to verify the website. So we are going to use one of the methods. The easiest method I suggest to you is if you click the alternative method and click the HTML tag, you will get a code which says as meta code here. So this we can copy and paste into our website. So first I want you to copy this. Just copy and place it in a text edit file or something. There is the text editor, new document, sorry. And so this is the verification we are going to place in our website. So they'll let it be there. So once this is done, we will go to the dashboard. We will go to the dashboard and place that code into our website. To place the code in website, you might be remember from the previous video, we have installed a plugin called SEO by Yoast. Sorry. So that plugin is installed here. So if you see the SEO there, click the SEO. In the beginning page of the SEO general settings, there is a column here called Webmaster Tools. In that there is a Google Webmaster, where this is the place where we can place that code. I'm just going to copy that code and save changes. So now we are going to just place the code into our website. So once that code is placed, we can go to the Webmaster tool and we can click verify now. So Google will go and check whether verification is there. It says verification is failed. Using analytics method lesson. Using analytics method lesson, you have not created an account in the Google Analytics. Oh, sorry. It should be in this place. So we have to click the HTML tag because we are going to use the HTML tag. So now we will verify this. Yeah, so here the congratulations, you have successfully verified. So now we have verified the Google Webmaster Tool. The second thing we are going to see now is Google Analytics. To access Google Analytics, similarly go to Google and enter Google Analytics. Once you enter Google Analytics, you will get the first page here. So I have checked this and logged into our with the email address I have. So once you log into your email address, this is the first screen you will get it. So you have to sign up. First is sign up with Google Analytics, adding the tracking code and checking our performance at a later time. So to do this, first click this sign up button and we have to enter the name required, whatever you want to name, just to identify yourself. Account or the most level to organizations and contains one or more tracking ID. So you can use the website name, whatever. So here I will say for this purpose as a camping and hiking site. Otherwise I'll just say HQ. So this is the site. Website name is a similar one. So just copy this. My website name is this. and this is the URL, http camping and hiking camping camping and hiking hq.com. So this is the website we are going to use. Industry, you can say something related to that. So we are travel related stuff, that's fine. United States, that's fine. These are all fine. Don't worry about that. You are using 0 of 100 accounts, so you can use 100 websites. Get tracking ID. So once you click, you get the terms of service. Read the terms of service. We're happy about that. Should be the normal one, and just accept it. That's it. Now the tracking ID will be provided by Google. So this is our tracking ID. See here, UA, this is our tracking ID. I'm just going to copy this, and we will install this tracking ID into our website. So we have installed a Google Analytics plugin when we did the plugin in the video number 6. So to access that, it will be available in the settings area and Google Analytics. Just click that, and you will be asked to enter the UA ID. This is what the ID we copied here. Google Analytics, UA. So the same thing they want here. Just paste it here and save changes. Now your Google Analytics is set up. So we did the Google Analytics setup also. So that's fine. And the third one we are going to see now is Amazon tracking ID. Amazon tracking ID, we have to get a tracking ID from the Amazon affiliate account. So go to Amazon account and then log into your, so probably you may know how to log in. Go to Amazon account, scroll to the bottom of the website and become an affiliate. Click the become an affiliate and log into your affiliate account. I have already logged into my account here, and to get the tracking ID for every website, I suggest you to have a tracking ID so that you can track what site is earning and what site is not earning. So Amazon has provided us to manage the tracking ID. So to create a tracking ID, click manage, and you will get a screen like this, and you just add tracking ID. So you can add anything before -20 here so that you can resonate with your website. So for example, here my site is camping and hiking HQ. So I'm going to enter camping and hiking HQ, just the domain name itself I have entered, and search. So if it is available, it says congratulations, camping and hiking HQ is available. So for this website purpose, my tracking ID is camping and hiking HQ. I will be using this tracking ID to track whether this website is earning or not. So this is how to create a camping ID. So we have done all the three now. Now we will go to some plugin setups. So you might remember that we have installed 6 plugins. The first one is SEO by Yoast. In the SEO by Yoast, in the dashboard we have entered the Google Webmaster Tool, which is done. So most of the thing is done. So you don't have to do any other things. So there are various functions available within the plugin, like these general settings, home page settings. Whatever settings are available here is absolutely fine. You don't have to do. But in every post you make, there will be a column called SEO by Yoast, so where you can enter the details about your post and the descriptions which you want to show in the Google search. I will discuss that when we are talking about the content. So the first plugin is done. The second plugin we installed is TablePress. So here the TablePress icon is there. Just click that, and if you want to create any table, you have just go here, add a new table, and in that basically you just name the table relevant to that. For example, if you compare between a product A and product B, just name the table as comparison product A, product B. which is descriptive and it's for your tracking purpose. And then number of rows and number of columns and add table. So once you add the table, for example, I will just add here as a test one and add 3 rows and 3 columns, for example, and I will add the table. So you have to basically add the table here. So once you enter that table, so you will get a table description here. See here, it gives all the details of how to use it and those kind of things. So you can enter the data here, whatever the data you want to enter, and then use the table into your website. So this is very self-explanatory. You can just go through how to set up this table press. And the third plugin we have installed is Google Analytics, which we have already completed. In Google Analytics, it should be available in the settings. Google Analytics, we need to enter our Google Analytics code, which we have already done. The fourth one we did was Dig. So Dig is a plugin which for the social sharing plugin, so which will hover in the left side of your post. So someone who wants to share your post will be sharing easily. So in order to set up the Dig, just click the Dig button and go to the floating display, which is the third one here, and then enable floating display. If it is not enabled already, save changes, and where you want to show, it's in post, pages, categories. So we just want in the post, just click the post, and we want in all the categories, that's fine. And how far it's you want, so these are all configurable according to your choice and the theme. If the theme is not suitably not good, you can come and change it and then save changes. And what are the buttons you would like to have in the social sharing? So here I've selected Twitter. We don't want buffer, so I'm removing buffer, and you can click stumble upon if you want. You can do Reddit and Facebook, Google Plus, Tumblr. I've selected Tumblr and Pinterest. So all those things, once it's selected, just save the changes. That's it. So your setup for the Dig is completed. And the last the fifth plugin we have done is the privacy policy. Privacy policy, we want to add a privacy policy to our website. So here in the settings, it's sitting under AdSense privacy policy. So just enter your site name and the contact address, the email address, whatever you want, at site.com, for example. I'm just giving this, and then page title. So you can create directly from here the page. See here, the page title says AdSense privacy policy. We don't want AdSense, you just remove that. It says privacy policy, and then create page. So it will automatically create the page. So if we go to the page here now, so that page should appear. See here, it's already appearing here. All the contents will be whatever is mentioned inside. So this is all automatic. The plugin has automatically created the privacy policy. So let's see how the privacy policy is looking. Just view it. So this is how the privacy policy is appearing in our website. So that's fine, it's all done. So the last one we had is the Pretty Link. Pretty Link, as I told you earlier, it's a URL shortener. We will have a very big links for the Amazon affiliate links, so that won't be really good. So we will shorten every link we are going to place and use this link as our affiliate links. To create a link in the Pretty Link, just say add link. So when you click that, there will be a short video will be there if you want to learn about that. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. You can go through the video, or you just add a Pretty Link from here, and then enter your target URL. Target URL is the affiliate link we get from the Amazon. Just type here. I will show you once we do in the content also, and enter the Pretty Link, whatever the name we want, like depending on the product name. For example, if it is a tent ABC, if it is a canyon tent or something, tent, just enter Kenyon tent. What we are trying to do is just entering the product name to identify 4 people. If we enter 4 people, that will be our URL. And then title is not really important, which we can use it, and then say create it. So when we enter it, it will automatically create. So I'm not going to create it. We will create it once we are doing the content. So this is how the pretty links should be used. So these are all the links we are going to, sorry, these are all the plugins we are going to configure. And with this, video has gone a little bit longer, so we'll stop this. From the next video, we are going to concentrate on the pages. What are the additional pages we are going to put? And then straight away well into the content, which is the meat and potatoes of the website creations. And see you in the next video.